Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something really cool I'm going to show you. Huge shout out to ADRO for this. I've had this here for a few weeks now. I haven't unboxed it yet because I wanted to do a surprise unboxing for myself. This is actually going to go on my vehicle. It is for the G82. I'm going to start unboxing it now and then we'll get to it afterwards. So one thing I am going to say is, like the box says, this is not for everyone. Not everyone's going to like it like I do. I did like it online, but again, who knows if I'm going to like it once I open this big box. I think it's double boxed actually. All right, cool. I saw this online and I really did like it, but a lot of people that I have shown did not like it, so keep your comments to yourself. No, I'm just kidding. I always appreciate everyone's honest comments. All right. So there's actually two things in this box that I ordered because you can't just do one and not the other, obviously. So I'm going to take this one out first. Anyone can guess what this is? And the second thing is, which is bigger, I'm sure some of you could already guess what it is. I'm going to pull this up front. So, put it on its back. I'm going to close this so we can put it right on top of here. Let's move this too. All right, so I'm gonna open up this bad boy first. So I originally wanted this piece, but unfortunately, this piece you cannot just do alone. It is specifically for that piece, which I will unravel next. Always make sure, I know I'm using a knife, but I'm not slicing it deep, especially because I don't want to damage anything. I'm just lightly grazing over all the spots where I see tape. And I do this pretty much every day, so I'm used to this, but open all of this. And they packaged it really nicely. First one's in bubble wrap. And I'm just going to throw this bubble wrap over here. Again, I'm just going to take the knife lightly and score it. I'm actually really excited / nervous to see both pieces. Like I said before, I haven't seen either in person. I've only seen them online. And I really did like it online. So I'm going to give you my honest feedback as usual. So as you can see here, this is all the installation hardware you're going to need. I'm assuming it has, ooh, it just fell. Nuts, bolts to put this piece on. And one last one. And flip it again. Really packaged it really well. All right, so this is just styrofoam, so I should be able to just rip it. Okay. Finally taking it out. Trying very carefully to unravel this without it falling. It's very difficult. Most of the time, two of us unravel any carbon fiber pieces, or at least I try to have someone help me, just that it doesn't fall, scratch, stuff like that. But this is ADRO's Front Lip in carbon fiber, which I am ecstatic about. Looks beautiful. I'm gonna flip it over so you could also see the other side. And then this is the back of it. You can see they put their sticker on this side over here where my finger is. All right, just gonna grab this bubble wrap and lay it out so I can do the next piece. Like I said, I really wanted their front lip. I thought it was really nice. We do deal with RW Carbon as well. I just figured I'd try theirs for once and give ADRO's front lip a try, especially because of this baby. So I'm gonna unwrap this one now. Just bear with me as I lift it, because it is a little heavier. I'm gonna flip it this way so I could cut it up. I know some people think it's very annoying when companies like super wrap their stuff, but there is a reason for it. A lot of these shipping companies tend to not care, and they damage a lot of product. We've seen it. I've seen it happen a lot. Regardless of how much or how big the box is, things just don't always handle very well in shipping. So I do really appreciate that they wrapped it as well. And that's it. So without further ado, this is ADRO's, however you want to pronounce it, G82 front bumper. I loved it because I really wanted to change out the front kidney grills. I thought they were just really big. I was contemplating on what to do, whether I wanted to go carbon fiber, whether I wanted to go gloss black, but when I saw these with the bumper, it just looked really aggressive. So this comes with everything you need. So this is the new size of the kidney grill. As you can see, it's smaller from top to bottom. I'm just gonna put this back in here. And don't worry, all of this for the front bumper comes together as a kit, so you have everything you're gonna need. I'm not gonna really take everything out of here. You have the bottom part of the grill and the bumper. They give you a license plate bracket, which obviously I don't have on my car right now, so I'm not gonna put this on. Again, any necessary hardware needed to install the bumper. The side grills, both sides. And then I'm assuming this is for behind the bumper, as well as this side. Ooh, this side's stuck actually. Let me put this side down. There we go. So both sides, looks like it's for behind the bumper. And then, last but not least, so one thing I am going to mention is this bumper comes primed, ready to be either painted or wrapped. And I'm not going to tell you just yet what I'm doing, but you will just have to stay tuned for part 2. Once this gets installed, we're not going to be installing this, obviously. Oh, I just realized it's upside down. Hold on. We're not going to be installing this. Someone else will be installing this for us. But like I said, you either can have it painted or wrapped. You're just going to have to stay tuned for part 2 and what I'm going to be doing. But I'm super excited about this. It's going to look awesome. At least I hope it looks awesome. But once I saw it online, I really knew I wanted to do this. Instead of just doing the either the CSL grills or just carbon fiber grills in general, or black grills, whatever. I saw this and it just looked really aggressive. So I'm really excited to put this in the car and see how it looks with everything finally done. You're just going to have to stay tuned for part 2. I can't wait to show you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Like, share, subscribe.